Work simplification basically is a management concept defined as the conscious seeking of the quickest, simplest, and easiest method of working. Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about the concept of work simplification. Research have used work simplification techniques in industries and other fields to improve methods of managing time, motion, and other resources necessary for a particular job. Work simplification is encouraged in homemaking skills. Work simplification is a management concept that can be defined as the conscious seeking of the simplest, easiest, quickest method of doing work. Time is important in most work. In the home, there is a special time for meals, and so activities pertaining to meal preparation must be done at a specific time. Certain chores have to be done at special times, or the whole schedule of events of the day could be upset, causing a great deal of confusion. There are specific ways of doing certain tasks, and sometimes the traditional way is preferred to the scientific way. Despite the fact that the new way would save time and motion, such preferences are based on values and tradition. Consider home-cooked meals versus packaged prepared meals by factory engineers. Your discussion could include a whole new trend of thought, like the time available for meal preparation, availability of supplies, and comparative costs. Despite tradition, there is the belief that there is always a better way of doing certain things. There are certain factors that affect work simplification, and these are as followed: type of task, the time taken to do the task, the use of correct procedures, and how time is managed when dealing with several tasks at the same time. A further explanation of this is the type of task means break down the task into smaller tasks. List all the things needed to do the task. See if some steps can be combined and some steps are necessary. If so, eliminate them. Time to do the task. How long will it take to do the task? Organize a logical sequence of the activities. List each step of the task. Note any steps that could be dovetailed or done simultaneously. Also, note active time and passive time. Do the most important activities first. Set deadlines for each activity. Use of correct procedures. Check to see if all the equipment, supplies, and the workplace are ready. That the steps of the task are in the correct sequence to avoid undoing and redoing. A skilled worker makes every motion, every moment count. Has developed a good sequence of motions that run smoothly, that are rhythmic and very easy. Time management. Several tasks can be dealt with at the same time. They must be planned, organized, and coordinated first. Planning and organizing the order is important as some tasks are related and others are not. This is termed sequencing. Sequencing can either be independent or dependent. When doing work, it's best to organize tasks by sequencing and coordinating, as this helps to make the work appear simpler. You need only a few minutes to see what work must be done first, what next, and so on. In other words, you need to plan the order in which to work. This is known as sequencing. If you clean your refrigerator and then proceed to do work, you have in fact completed one task and then have proceeded to do another task which is unrelated and this is known as independent sequencing. Dependent sequencing occurs when one task can be started only after another one has been completed. In cleaning a room, you mop the floor after the ceiling has been dusted and the walls have been washed. With the planning and organizing completed, you have to coordinate the activities. This is an important part of the management process. Depending on the task to be accomplished, 3 other techniques can be used to simplify work, which are clustering, dovetailing, and overlapping. Clustering is used when the tasks pertain to one area or the same area of the house or are related. For example, in the bathroom, you have the face basin, you have the shower, you have the shower curtain, you have the toilet bowl, and you might want to change the mats and mop the floor. Whereas in dovetailing, this occurs when several tasks are going on at the same time and you work at it until they are completed. This is quite common in the home setting where children have to be taken care of and meals have to be prepared. Overlapping, as the term suggests, means that one task is part of or can be combined with another. This is possible because the difference in the attention required for each allows the two to be done simultaneously or at the same time. However, concentration on the task can also be a time saver. Trying to get too many things done at one time or allowing the mind to stray to other things may increase the time taken to complete the task. Effective managers use work simplification because they want to do the following. 1. Get quality work done in the shortest time. 2. Save on time and energy motion. 3. Relieve the unpleasantness and fatigue from work. 4. Provide for orderly working and ensure mental and practical tidiness. 5. Provide a foundation for a high degree of efficiency. Wow! Now I will give you some hints or helpful suggestions for work simplification. Tip number 1. Tools and materials should be located near to and in front of the worker. Number 2. Adequate lighting is essential. Good illumination is the first requirement for satisfactory operation. 3. Seating provided should be of the type and height to allow for good posture. 4. Have a place for everything and have everything in its place. In stacking cupboards, place those most commonly used to the front of the shelves and at eye level and within easy reach. Sometimes there may be problems in dividing the work that needs to be done, and some of these issues are due to the following. 1. Different time schedules of family members who must perform a certain job together. 2. Different stages of development of family members, with some more responsible and capable than others. 3. Different personalities, which are sometimes conflicting. 4. The differences in ages. 5. The inability of family members, including the manager, to communicate successfully with one another. Sometimes information given by one family member is not well understood by the other family members. Thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. And do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.